My name's Johno. This is my 1973 Morris Pork Pie Mini.
So what do you love most about the Mini, Johno?
It's noisy and it goes good.
And can I guess, what's your favourite movie?
Pork pie, has to be.
Have you always been a fan?
Yeah, I always have, yeah.
What was it about pork pie that made you fall in love and say, I want to have a yellow Mini?
It's just the way they went about it. They pretty much stole it and drove it all the way down here.
I'm taking this bloody car to Invercargill. Yeah. Do you have any favourite music to drive to?
Modern country, like a bit of Keith Urban's pretty good.
Yep. And what would be your best driving experience in pork pie?
I took it for a trip to Dunedin. It was great fun. We stopped on the way, but no, it went really well.
Yeah? And what about the worst?
When it broke down on the way back from the crib in Waikaia at about 1 o'clock in the morning with no light.
Oh, you made it out okay though?
I did.
How long have you had pork pie?
I've had her 7 years.
Yeah. Are you looking forward to the new pork pie?
Yeah, I am. I'm quite interested to see how it all turns out. I've seen a bit of it being shot here in town, so
yeah.
It's quite good.
Gotta be here somewhere.
He's here.
G'day.
What have you done?
Sure, there's good. Hey, Sue. We've got visitors. You decent? I love you. No, not you. You're a nice looking boy, though.